Made it out to the Michigan City Lighthouse out here. The sand is blowing pretty hard. It's piling up out here already. I don't know if I'll be plying this one today. I've never really seen the sand blowing this far back. The wind is just blowing the truck around. The main roads on the way here weren't too bad. Side roads are getting sketchy. Well, the sand isn't blowing too bad right here. I think the sand is already starting to freeze. It sounds like just ice balls at this point. Oh, the waves are huge out here. She looks a little mean today. Alright, I'm gonna pull over here, park the truck, and get the drone out. They are trying to keep the sand cleaned up in the parking lot here. You can see they got piles of it everywhere. Not too many people at the beach today. All right, let's get the drone ready.